I'm going to show you how to request a refund for Google Play in-app purchase. To start, open the Google Play app on your phone and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, go to the Help and Feedback section where you should see an option to request a refund. Select this option and tap Continue. Google Play will then scan your account for any recent purchases that may be eligible for a refund. Keep in mind that this option typically only applies to recent purchases. Older purchases may not appear here. If the purchase you want refunded is older or not listed, there's still an option to contact support. At the bottom of the help and feedback page, select Contact Us. When prompted, type refund as your issue, then follow the prompts to describe your issue further. You'll be given some information about refund eligibility, which can help clarify if your purchase is eligible. If you wish to proceed, select the option to chat with customer support or email them. When you're reaching out, include your transaction ID and details about the purchase. Customer support will review your request and if approved, they will guide you through the refund process.